First, you apply to the eyes several times a day for 5 to 10 minutes a compress with your own urine. Yes, urine. Urine is an antiseptic and antibacterial. It is also a good remedy, old one, for purulent eyes and any other kind of inflammation or infection of the eyes. There are several types of eye problems and vision disorders, including blurred vision, halos, blind spots, flakes, presbyopia, myopia, glaucoma, cataracts, and so on and forth. Blurred vision consists in the loss of its clarity and the inability to observe small details. And that's why I'm here. I'm Alex, and on this channel you'll find very practical information, not so very well known to the medical new world, for increasing longevity, life extension, and quick and powerful natural and almost for free remedies for several physical internal disorders. This video is a practical guide verified by me and does not represent a cure for any disease, dysfunction, or physical condition. That's why please talk to your doctor first before starting to consume the things down below in this video, because I was traveling in more than 61 countries and I was gaining what are the risk factors generating vision disorders. And my conclusion is that is smoking, long exposure to strong light, family history, obesity, cardiovascular diseases, fatigue, exposure to environmental factors, temporary or reversible blurring of vision, and certain medications from the pharmacy. Your eyes get used to the glasses because they don't have to make the effort, and because of this, people usually lose their sight instead of regaining it. Natural science offers many natural, safe, and effective techniques for eye care and vision improvement. To improve your vision in a natural way, you can also subscribe, but I suggest you to check the following. So let's dive in. First thing is rose water. Rose water is a flavored water made by the stepping rose petals in the water. Rose water benefits for eyes are soft eyes, helps soft skin irritation, calms skin redness, prevents cell damage, and may have anti-aging benefits like helps lighten dark circles around the eyes, and it's a soothing eye wash, also helps remove particles of dust from our eyes. If you soak a cotton pad or a cotton swab in rose water and place it on your closed eyes for about 10 minutes, and you can sit horizontally, you'll hold these cotton pads over your eyes and you'll see benefits after a couple of times. The second thing which it will be helpful to do is a mix of almond oil, chamomile or green tea, and baking soda and the lemon juice, honey and water. You can mix the almond oil with baking soda to make a paste. You can use 50 milliliters of almond oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and this treatment is applied during the evening to night, and you can do it 3 times a week until the dark circles are diminished. So in a glass of hot water of chamomile tea, you can dissolve like very well 1 teaspoon, 5 grams of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and then you can soak 2 makeup removing discs or medicated cotton pads in this solution, which are then applied under the eyes and left to act there for 15 minutes during the evening time. So the face should be washed well beforehand so that there are no impurities. So this treatment is repeatedly daily for 3 weeks, and this recipe for treating blepharitis, which is the inflammation of edges of the eyelids right here. And now I show you 2 remedies for combating hemerolapia, which so many people unfortunately have. First, you apply to the eyes several times a day for 5 to 10 minutes a compress with your own urine. Yes, urine. Urine is an antiseptic and antibacterial. It is also a good remedy, old one, antique one, for purulent eyes and any other kind of inflammation or infection of the eyes. And the second Short remedy is a piece of ram or beef liver which you can boil it on low heat in the little water and stand it with your eyes open above the steam for the steam to go in your eyes. You can boil and steam this liver for several days in a row, approximately 1 palm of liver you can boil. At the same time, you can drink 1 glass of freshly prepared carrot juice 3 times per day for 3 months, so 90 days, and you will see results. So if you mix each portion of the carrot juice with a teaspoon of vegetable oil, you can drink 30 to 40 minutes before the meal and you will see results after 2 months. So in the other matter, honey helps to improve vision and eliminate eye problems such as cataracts, glaucoma or trachoma, red or pink eyes. So a remedy for tired eyes, which we get from the laptops or phone, simply apply raw honey to closed eyelids and relax with soothing music and leave it for 30 minutes there, and then rinse the eyelids with cold water. And you can use this remedy also to wash your eyes with honey and warm water, so you have many options. If you use this mixture to wash the eye area well in the evening before going to bed, you will see a lot of benefits after a couple of times. So fifth thing which I want to share with you is apple vinegar, which it will be better because apple cider vinegar is one of the best remedies for conjunctivitis. It has antimicrobial properties that helps infection and is one of the causes that lead to red eyes, infections of our eyes. To prepare an apple cider vinegar solution for inflamed eyes, add half of spoonful of apple cider vinegar to a half of cup of boiled water, and then soak a makeup remover desiccate in this solution and apply it to the infected area of your eyes. Also wipe near the eyes with such a makeup remover disc, soak it in the solution, then you will see results after 2 or 3 times. So if you apply such compresses several times a day for 2 days or more, 3 days, until the eyes are returning to normal, you will get a lot of benefit. If eye pain occurs, do not panic. It's a symptom of healing by cleaning and nourishing the eyes from the impurities or dust. The fourth thing which I have for you, my dear friends, is chamomile. I guess you know that. Chamomile tea is an excellent remedy for conjunctivitis. Prepare a tea of chamomile flowers, 3 spoons to a cup of water. After you've made your chamomile tea, keep the sachets and put them into the fridge. After they have cooled well, apply them to the eyelids for 5 to 10 minutes and you will see results very fast. And the fifth thing I have for you, green tea bags. Green tea is recognized for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. The best way to do this is to boil 500 grams or 1 pound of water and soak tea bags or plant tea, approximately 50 grams or 10% the plant in the water. Let it cool in the fridge and then you can put it in your eyes to reduce swelling. And it's not necessary to use caffeine tea, but caffeine will help reduce the bags to an even greater extent. It can even help with fine lines and wrinkles if you have. Another interesting thing that you can apply, like anti-aging masks. At home you could make an effective mask from sour cream and parsley. Yeah, you hear right, from sour cream and parsley. You need 2 teaspoons of sour cream and a teaspoon, a small one, of very finely chopped fresh parsley. It is left on the eyes for around 8 to 10 minutes for weeks daily, so 30 days. The sixth thing I have for you is carrots, beta carrots. Beta carotene, we know, prevents the accumulation of free radicals around the blood from the eyes, and we know that destroy the cells in our body, and the carrots have antioxidant properties. Therefore, eating carrots primarily helps to improving twilight vision, but also the juice is better. Vitamin A stimulates the mucous glands in the corners of the eyes, that secret of which protects the visual apparatus from drying and damage. Retinol is a regeneration stimulant that helps restore the body, including the visual apparatus after injections and injuries. So a diet rich in carrots or juice of carrots, you'll see improves and relieve vision problems. So with this kind of 6 elements, your vision, your sight, your eye will become clear and you'll see like an eagle. And I hope if you want to subscribe down below with the bell, you can ring and have much more videos of longevity, natural remedies, and life extension like you deserve. May the progressive force be with you.